Preparing for exams? Give yourself the best chance with this top best exam study routine and try not to let the stress get to you. Morning routine. Start your fresh morning at 6 a.m. Wake up, make your bed, wash your face, drink a full glass of water, finish up all the utilities of freshening up yourself. 7 a.m. It's time for your first study session. Take a subject that you find difficult or hard. Why? Because your mind will be fresh in the morning. There is peace in the environment and our brain is fully charged. 9 a.m. It's your break time. By this timing, you should be having a healthy, nutritious breakfast and with some brain foods such as walnuts, almonds, cashews, etc. in it. 9:30 a.m. Study problem-solving subjects like maths, physics, accountancy, etc. And also don't forget to take 5 to 10 minutes of break between your study session. This will help you to feel more active and less bored. Afternoon routine. 12 p.m. to 12:30 p.m. Have your lunch and make sure you don't delay this time, since having something to eat will boost your concentration power. 12:45 p.m. Take a power nap. Having short naps are extremely beneficial as it boosts your productivity, improves memory and learning. 1:30 p.m. By this time, you should wake up and get ready for your next study session. You can study subjects like science or social science or any subject. At this time, you will have more intense focus. And also don't forget to take 5 to 10 minutes of break in between. If possible, you can also solve previous year's question papers to get an idea of what is expected to come in your exams. 4 p.m. It's your break time. Stretch your body, listen to music, have some snacks, drink tea or coffee, and check your phone. 4:30 p.m. At this timing, study your easy or favorite subjects. You would feel more lighter, productive, and motivated. 6:30 p.m. Take a walk. Exercise. You can also do creative activities like coloring, drawing, a cube dance-off, or any short DIY activities. This makes you feel less stressed and help you stay focused. 7:30 p.m. Study your language subjects. Read textbooks, notes, practice grammar, etc. 8:30 p.m. Make sure you have a good practice on your handwriting, your writing speed, vocabulary, etc. 9:15 p.m. Have a light dinner by this time. Then take rest and relax. 10 p.m. It's your bedtime. Make sure you get a good night's sleep of 7 to 8 hours every single day. This exam routine will help you in not only focusing better, but will also help you to score top marks in your exam, since you will be disciplined and become a straight A student. That's it all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please like, comment, share, subscribe and press that bell icon for my latest new updates. See you!